Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, and a little butter or oil. Using fresh ingredients truly elevates the flavor, so choose wisely. Accurate measurements are key for that perfect texture every time. Now let's create the batter. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, gently combine the milk, eggs, and melted butter or oil. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to cook. Heat your griddle or frying pan over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Watch for small bubbles to form on the surface and for the edges to look set. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another minute or two until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them warm right off the griddle for the best experience. Classic toppings like maple syrup and fresh berries are always a hit. You could also try whipped cream, chocolate chips, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Don't be afraid to get creative and find your favorite combinations. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy pancakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.